Alright guys, it's National Ceiling Fan Day. It is September 18th, 2023. The day that we celebrate how good our fans are, so I'm going to be doing a special video of the ceiling fans in my house. So here in my room, I still have the Barnstable Bay, just running on medium. It's a pretty good fan. And then here in my mom's room, we still have the Timon. Which is also running on medium. We've been running this fan pretty much 24/7 because it's been getting pretty hot over the summer, so yeah. There's that. Then here in this room, we still have the Pro Series, which is also running on medium. So yeah, there's that. Then there's my cat. So yeah. Here in the living room, we still have the retractable fan. Sure, some of you guys remember this fan used to make a noise, but we finally got that fixed, so it's quieter now. It's a pretty good fan. So yeah. Alright. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and happy National Ceiling Fan Day. Have a good day, guys.